All right, we're back for game 2. Storage was full on the first video, so we're just gonna have to upload two videos today. I won the first game, so I'll take the play on the second game. We're still trying to find and cast successfully the new card that I picked up this month. This is really bad.
Yeah.
But I have to keep it. But
I'm in the same boat.
Awesome. I'll go first then and try to get rid of this mess. We have Swamp. Crystal Rod would be my turn 1. And then I'll go ahead and pass with 6 cards.
Draw for turn. Play a forest, and back to you.
Okay. Untap the Swamp. Draw for turn. That's better. I'll play an island. Still kind of bad. I'll pass it to you.
Draw for turn. Play another forest, and go ahead.
All right. I untapped. I'll draw for turn. It's not so good. I will tap the Swamp. I'll play a black Vise, and I'm going to pass with 6 cards.
Upkeep, I've got 7. Go to 17.
Which are red cards, I'm guessing.
Play a mountain.
It's good.
And I'm gonna disintegrate you for 2.
You sure will. I'll be at 18.
And go ahead.
Okay, I'll
6 cards now.
untap the Swamp. Draw for turn. This is pretty good here. I'm gonna play a Swamp, and I'm gonna tap 2 black. I'm gonna play a Sinkhole, and I'm gonna Sinkhole the mountain.
Yep.
And then I have 5 cards, so I'll pass to you.
All right. Upkeep, I've got 6. Go to 15. Draw for turn. Play a mountain, and back to you.
Okay, I'll untap the Swamps. I'll draw for turn. I'll tap 2 Swamps again. I'll play another Sinkhole on that mountain.
Yep.
And 5 cards I'll pass to you.
All right, I've got 6. Go to 13. Draw for turn. Play a forest. And go ahead.
All right.
Still at 6 cards.
Untap. I'll draw 1. That's pretty good. I'm gonna play Underground Sea. I've got 4 mana. I will pass it over to you, Mike.
Upkeep, I've got 6 cards. I'll go to 11. Draw for turn. Play a mountain. And tap out for a War Mammoth.
I will tap a blue. 1, 2, 3. So I will play Power Sink for 1 and gain 2 off that.
You got it?
I'll go to 20 again. Get rid of the Power Sink.
Go ahead. I've got 5 cards in hand.
All right. I will untap. I will draw a card. I'll play a land. I'll play an island.
Yep.
I will tap 4 cards for Icy Manipulator.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to pass the turn to you.
All right.
And on upkeep, I will tap the mountain.
I've got 5 cards in hand. Yep, 5. So I'll go to 10.
Just 1. Okay.
Draw for turn. Play a mountain. Tap out to play another War Mammoth.
That one is good.
Go ahead. I'm down to 4 cards.
All right. I will untap. Draw for turn. Beautiful. I will play an island for turn. Let's go ahead and tap a Swamp and an island. Black and colorless, I'll cast a Demonic Tutor.
Yep.
I will tutor 4. It's on the top of my deck, but I think I'm gonna tutor for that card. Even though it may not work, but I'll try it. All right, we're just gonna run it. All right, so there's tutors in the graveyard. You're welcome to cut that. And so let's see here. I've got 3 cards, 4 mana. I'm gonna pass the turn to you.
All right.
And then on your upkeep, I have 2 things. I'm gonna tap an island, tap the icy. I'm gonna tap the War Mammoth.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna tap a Underground Sea for black and a swamp. And I'm gonna cast Word of Command. So I wanna see what's in your hand. And I think I am going to do this. I'm going to tap the Forest to cast Giant Growth on the War Mammoth.
Yep.
I'm going to tap Forest to cast this awesome Berserk on the War Mammoth.
Sure will. That's exactly what I was going to do.
And I will let you continue with your turn. Thanks, Word of Command.
2 cards in hand. I'll draw for turn.
So you're under the Vise.
Yes. Go ahead. My War Mammoth dies for fail.
After the Berserk. So you did, yeah, that was good. Like,
was-
creature removal kind of worked.
Saved yourself
I was
12 damage.
really hoping I had like Psychic Venoms on your land, but I was like, I'm just gonna try it and see what happens. So I've untapped. I will draw 1 card. I will, let's see here. I'll pass the turn to you,
All right.
and then I'm gonna, on your upkeep, I'm gonna tap everything. I'm gonna play Mana Short
Okay.
for 3 and gain 3 life.
Tap one of the mountains to lightning bolt you.
Yes, you will, and then I'll lose 3 life then.
And then I have 2 cards in hand. Draw for turn. Play a forest and tap it for sprites.
Sprites are great.
And go ahead.
All right, I will
I'm at 1 card.
untap and draw for turn. I will. I'm going to tap 5 mana, 2 to cast Psychic Venom on one of the mountains, gain 3 life off the Crystal Rod, go to 23.
Yep.
I have 2 cards. I'm going to pass it to you, and then on the upkeep, I'll icy the sprites.
Okay. I've got 1 card in hand. Draw for turn. Play a forest. And then
Tap the.
5 to play my last
Hive.
card. Hive.
You got it.
Go ahead.
All right, I will untap. Draw for turn. I will. I'm just gonna pay 2. I'm gonna cast Psychic Venom on that mountain.
Yep.
I am going to tap a swamp to Icy Manipulator the mountain now.
Yeah. Puts me at 6.
And then I've got 2 cards. I will pass it to you.
Alright. Upkeep.
I'm going to tap an island and 2 colorless. I'm going to twiddle the mountain again.
Yep. Puts me to 2.
I'll get 2 life. I'll go to 25. Let's get some swasps out there.
Yeah, go to combat and fly in for 1.
You got it. I'll go to 24.
And yeah, while I have the chance to make a wasp, I will. And I'll use the back of what is a squirrel token from
Awesome.
KMJ.
That's a cool token. Wasp token. Love it.
And go ahead.
All right. I will untap. One card. I'll draw for turn. I will tap 2 blue for Chaos Orb.
Yep.
And I'll just go ahead and activate Orb, targeting the Hive. Let's try it, see if I can get another.
Yep. You got a wasp out of it. 10 mana, 1/1 fire.
And then I have to pass it to you.
So, personal victory, I won't be dying to Vise this time.
That's good.
Go to my upkeep.
Nothing on your upkeep.
Right, draw for turn. Go to combat.
I will let you attack.
All right. Get in there for 2.
I gotta take it down to 22.
And I don't trust that Jeremy is negligent enough to miss this. So I will attempt to fireball and kill myself in the process.
Yeah, that does it. I had this regrowth. I was gonna see what I got on the next turn, but Howling Mine, but no green. I took out the white duels and just left the 2 green duels in here. So, but
yeah, the lack of disenchant makes the Hive significantly better there.
But Word of Command worked.
Yeah,
it does kind of work. I should have really tutored for Twister and just cast Twister, but I wanted to play this card and see how it worked, and
that's the fun of the format.
Yeah, so it is possible to cast Word of Command and do something with it. I recommend it. I might try that. Let's see. So this month in the video it's January, so maybe I'll play that in February.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks again, Mike. That was a great game.
Games.
Always fun playing.
My pleasure.
And so you got holidays coming up. I'll probably not be in person the next couple weeks, but like maybe next month. We'll see you next month. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Take care.